was fascinated by the fact that you could put the hydrophones into a pond and listen to ever evolving kind of sounds and timbres and rhythms that it felt like a kind of like a composition in itself. I've been fascinated by all the sounds that we can hear in the water that's not apparent to us, terrestrially. So I use hydrophones, these underwater microphones, to listen under the water, and we can hear all sorts of sounds, including the sounds of amphibians and invertebrates and plants and even the sediment as it's shifting around. Yeah, for this installation I've created a geodesic dome. The idea is that people can sit in the middle of this dome and be surrounded by speakers that are playing back underwater sounds to give the sense of being immersed in the water, and they hear all these mysterious and kind of otherworldly sounds.